more about sentences. Hannah, can you just move a little bit backwards? I think we forgot to put the carpet backwards, but it's okay. So today we're going to talk a little bit about sentences. Okay? Next. Okay. So who remember what a sentence is? Umar. A sentence is a complete idea that makes sense, right? When we say something like, this day is beautiful, or my name is Aline, that's a sentence, right? Yes, Ali. Or this word is what? Beautiful, yes, that's a sentence. Next, Ahmed. The cat is big, that's a sentence. Next. A dog, is that a sentence?
No. This word.
A dog what? Right?
That is a title.
It's like a title, a dog. It's not a sentence, it's just like a title. 2 words, right? 2 words. Yes, it's like a title of the book. Next, Ahmed. So, all the sentences, they begin with capital letter, right? Capital letter. Next. It ends with a punctuation. It doesn't have to be a full stop. Okay? It doesn't have to be a full stop. We have different types of punctuations. It can be a full stop or period, right? It can be a question mark, or it can be a remember this. Mace. Yeah, but what is the name of this punctuation mark? Umar. Exclamation mark. Can everybody say exclamation mark? So full stop. Say
Full stop.
question mark.
Question mark.
Exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Next. Can you tell a sentence when a sentence has a full stop? What's the type of sentence? What's the type of sentence when it has a question mark? And what's the type of sentence when it has an exclamation mark? Can you tell it? The flag? Okay, next. Okay, so look. We also have to use our finger space. So the mat, is that a sentence?
No.
No.
That's tiny.
That's just something like, what about the mat, right? The mat what? That's the who. The mat what? The mat is dirty, the mat is big, the mat is in my house, the mat is beautiful. The mat what? We need to say something about the mat. I see my car. Is that a sentence? Yes. I said a complete idea. I see my car. I do see my car over there. I see my car. That's a sentence. Can he bat? No, with a bat? Yes. Yes. Is that a sentence? Yes, I'm asking something, right? That's a sentence. What about a log? A log what? A log is brown, or a log is in the forest. A log what? Next, Ali. Okay, this one. The jet. Is that a sentence? No. The jet what? The jet is flying, or the jet is blue, or the jet is big. Yes, the jet is big. That's a sentence. Or just a big. Is that a sentence? A big what? The jet is big, or a big ball. Needs to have something more about it. The jet will go up. Is that a sentence?
Yes.
That's a complete sentence. Next, Ahmed. We're going to write sentences today. Next, Ahmed. Next. Okay, so today we're going to talk about this type of sentence. We call declarative sentence. Can you say declarative sentence? Another way to say declarative sentence is telling sentence. Can you say telling sentence? What is a telling sentence? Omar?
Tell someone something.
Yes, we tell someone something. Like, Mace, this finger is red. I'm telling Mace something. That's a telling sentence. Yes, Ali.
Like, when, like, it's not a real story. When
at the end. Okay? So every time we're going to use a telling sentence, if you're going to use a telling sentence, you have to put to use a full stop at the end. So telling sentences will have a full stop at the end. Can somebody tell me a telling sentence with a full stop at the end? Umar.
How old are you?
That's not a telling sentence. You need a full stop at the end. Zay. A telling sentence. Tell me something.
That this mat is big.
This mat is big. A telling sentence.
I see a car.
I see a car. A telling sentence.
I see a dinosaur.
I
see a dinosaur and I scared.
I see a dinosaur. I'm scared. A telling sentence. Mace. Okay, now let's start with something different instead of I see. Something different. No, I see. Umar.
That door is brown.
That door is brown. A telling sentence.
I went to the beach.
I went to the beach. A telling sentence.
I have a big hat.
I have a big hat.
I have a big truck.
I have a big truck. Omar.
The door is open.
The door is open. A telling sentence. Abdurrahman. I have a big cat. Good job. So all the sentences that you're telling something ends with a full stop. Okay? Next, Ahmed. So declarative sentence is the same thing as a telling sentence. When you just say something, right? It ends with a full stop. Next. Like, I like my pet. I go to school. I see a mat. That's my house. I'm just telling you something. Next, Ahmed. Next. Now, we're going to do one more today. We're going to do two. The telling sentence, and then we're going to do interrogative sentence. That's like a question sentence. Like Omar said the first time, how old are you? Is that what you said? That's a question. You're asking something. So when you ask something, you need to put a question mark. That's another type of sentence, okay? A question, interrogative sentence. So when we say declarative sentence, we're using like adult word. Like interrogative sentence is like a high schooler words. For us, we can say just like telling sentence or question sentence, like asking sentence. Yes.
What about this? What about the sentence like this? What's your favorite color?
What about what?
Like there's a question mark and what's your favorite color?
Yes, that's a question, right? So that's a asking sentence. That's a you're asking a question sentence. Next, Ahmed, let's see some of them. So interrogative sentence, when you ask a question, it ends with a question mark. So you need to remember every time when you're asking a question, you will end with a question mark. Okay? Next, Ahmed. Next. Can I go to the park?
No. Yes.
That's a question, right? So that's an asking sentence. I'm asking you, right? That's an asking sentence. Are you finished?
No.
Question mark. That's a asking sentence. Do you like the cat?
No.
Asking sentence. Next, Ahmed. Next. Okay, so you can sit down, Ahmed. I'm going to show you some sentences, and we are going to say if this is a telling sentence or asking sentence. Ready?
What is it?
Okay, look at this one. My dog is big. Telling or asking sentence? Thank you for raising your hand, Yaman. Telling sentence. It's a telling sentence. My dog is big. What about this one? When are we going? Maria. Asking sentence. I am in this class. Mace. I am in this class. It's a a telling sentence or asking sentence? Telling sentence. He's good at maths. Ali, asking or telling? Telling. Max went home. Hamza, telling sentence. Are you hungry? Hannah, asking sentence. I want to eat cake. Bayan, I want to eat. Look at the sentence. I want to eat cake. Telling or asking? Telling. No question mark. It's telling. Look at this one. Do you want to play? Khalid. Huh? Asking. Good job. What is for lunch? Ahmed. Asking. Good job. Is that my hat? Abdurrahman.
Yes, my
Asking. Good job. You guys understood when it's asking, when it's telling? Yes? Okay. So right now, I'm going to give you a paper. We're going to start working on our grammar notebook. And I'm going to give you a paper like this. We have four types of sentences. But today we are only talking about the declarative, which is the telling one, and interrogative, which is the asking one. Okay? So declarative is going to be when you are telling something. And interrogative is going to be when you're asking something. So I'm going to write down and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So I'm going to get a scissors. We're going to cut just half of it because we're not going to do those two. We will do those two tomorrow, okay? So we're going to cut like this around, Umar, pay attention, around the black one, like this. Look, see? Around the black part. Look, do you see I still have this white part on top? We need this, okay? We need this part. Don't cut it. Pay attention. Pay attention. Alyaman, pay attention. Then I'm going to cut in the middle like this.
What?
But I'm not going to cut here because I'm going to glue this part of my notebook. So I'm going to fold in the middle. Okay? Fold. And then this part is the part that I'm going to glue in my notebook. Okay? Look, do you see? So I'm going to get my notebook. I'm going to write the date. So today is what month?
18.
What month? What month?
9.
Number 9. Number 9. But what's the name of the number 9?
January.
September. So I'm going to write down September. What day is today? What day of September is today?
Monday.
Let's do our calendar, huh?
Monday.
Today's Monday, but what number?
18.
Very good, Hamna and Omar. 18, 2023. So this is the date. So I want you guys to write September 18, 2023. And then we're going to write types of sentences. So this is our title, sentences. Okay? So this is going to be in our notebook. And then we're going to do this. And then here on top of this declarative sentence, you're going to write telling sentence. Telling sentence or telling something, okay? Telling sentences. And on top of the interrogative sentence, what should we write? Asking sentence. Asking sentences. this. I want you to write some examples of telling sentences. You can write, my jet is big. I see a car. Okay, you're going to write some examples of telling sentences. And here, you're going to write down some examples of asking sentence. Are you home? What's your name? Are you hungry? Can I go and play, or can I go play? Yes, Al.
What about
I got a lemon. What kind of sentence is that? Telling sentence. So this is the book that you are going to use.
What?
Look, it says English literacy. Okay?
I know.
That means it's English. When you turn the book, there is a page.
Okay.
Look. Do we have something written in this page? No. We can skip this page because I'm going to glue something over here that says grammar. Okay?
Yeah,
I'm going to glue something over here. Like remember last year we had one for grammar. So we're going to have this one for grammar, okay? So I'm going to do something here that says grammar. Okay? And then you can start on this page over here. You don't need to start on this page. It's okay if you want, but because I'm going to glue something over here, we can just skip the whole page and start over here. Writing the date and glue the thing. Okay? Thumbs up if you got it. Are you writing on the first page?
No.
Myra, not writing on the first page, okay? Alright, everybody? Okay. So I'm going to give you a paper. What kind of notebook were you going to get? English literacy, the brown one. Okay? I'm going to give you other colors later, but right now we're going to use the brown one. This is the first work on our grammar notebook. So let me get your paper. And then we're going to do another work after we finish this. Listen, everybody. Listen. You know what? I think I'm going to cut it for you and only give you the upper part. Because you guys are going to lose the bottom part. And I don't want you guys to lose the bottom part. So I will cut and give it to you, okay? And I'm going to call table by table. Who is the teacher's helper?
Me.
Give one for each person, okay? Sit on your bottom, everybody. Sit on your bottom. Bottom one.